right, you guys, we're gonna show you a little bit of a video, kind of how to install the upper shelf on this 2025 Toyota 4Runner. So this was kind of trickier compared to our other ones. So you have a factory, kind of a coat hanger situation here. You're gonna use a pick, boom, like open it from the side, get rid of that. Hope you guys can see what he's doing. He's trying to pick it out. It's got a weird clamp situation on there. Might have to use two of them. There you go. There you go. So what he just did, he just pushed on like that to release it. Now you have a hole. So obviously we already installed it. There's a hole here that you're gonna have to drill, and I'll show you here in a minute how. So we're gonna remove these panels right here. This panel, we already removed it on this side. So what you got there? Here, let me get a flashlight so we can see. There you go. And there's a 10 mil. All right, so these clips are on there, guys. You're gonna have to pull. We got a windy day today. This one's overlapping. The bottom's overlapping on the top, so you have to like. There you go. Bam. So then you have to remove this piece too. We got a little clip remover, kind of help it out a little bit. There you go. Yep, same thing, guys. On this thing overlaps to that guy. So there's a wire behind here for the light. So we're gonna have to kind of get a flashlight again. See that? Try to remove from the. There you go. I'll show you where it's at. There's a plug right here. So now that you have this removed, both sides, we go ahead and removed all of these clips. There's 1, 2, 3, and then there's 2 right there, and we dropped the light. We're doing this so we can actually get this thing to hang lower. Let me show you the clips. The clips are like this. Pretty simple to they're like a tree style. Pull them out and we'll put them back in. All right, so next step. There's a little, like a curtain thing he's gonna pull off. And now we have access to the headliner. The headliner now sags enough so you can get your hands. So we're gonna remove this bracket right here, guys. Ten. So it's 10 millimeter, guys, back there. Let me get the flashlight again. It's kind of, as you can see, behind the airbag is where it's at. Okay, so we just removed this. You no longer need this bracket. It was up in there. There you go, the 2 holes right there. Once you remove those, so we added these shims, these washers. So this is the new bracket that's gonna come in. I'll show you here. All right, so this is the bracket that we're gonna be installing. This is the passenger side. You'll have the same thing on the driver's side. It's a little dark, but you'll see here. I'll show you once he's done putting this in. Right there. So you have the washer spacing on the top, as you can see, and then you'll have 2 nuts. We're basically utilizing the same bolts from the roof rack. So we're gonna have them tighten that, and these bolts are already welded through, and then you'll see what we're talking about once we install it here. Okay, guys, we're using this open end with our little ratchet. Helps you out because it is kind of tight up in there. All right, guys, so we got both sides. You got the passenger side, we got the driver's side. As you can see, there's washers on top. And so we already obviously drilled the holes in the bottom, but what we're gonna do is actually, this one's got a hole, this one doesn't, so you're gonna have to push and puncture it, and then maybe like use a knife, you know, just cut around it very gently, as clean as possible. And what we're gonna do is actually put everything back in, guys. We're gonna put it back in, this side, and then all the clips, and then we'll show you how to do the next step. Okay, so we got the headliner all assembled. We haven't installed these yet. Then the actual brackets. So we got these little spacers as well. These spacers go in. This will go in, just like that. And we're gonna put nuts on them, both sides. And then the shelf will slide in. So let's get installing this. So we're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side, guys. It's pretty simple. Okay, guys, we got those inside installed. This is the upper shelf. Obviously, this is in raw form. I just wanted to show you when we install it so you can actually see when it's all black. It's hard to see what it looks like. So usually you have to put it through the inside. You have somebody climb like Ilya is doing right now. Feed it to him. Pushes it in. Sometimes it's a little difficult for one guy to do it since I'm recording. As he's placing it on top and just sliding it on. Just like that, guys. And there's the mounting points in the bottom. So obviously you'll get probably different hardware. We'll have some black anodized, but look at that. Looks nice and clean, tucked away. There's a little gap. It's not gonna rub on your headliner. This pretty much includes the install once he puts those three bolts on both sides. And you'll also have a light option that you can install over here and tap into the side light if you needed to. All right, you guys, this is installed. This is how it looks like installed. Obviously, like I said, this one's raw aluminum. You can get them raw, you get them painted. Just to show you how it looks. If it was black, you wouldn't be able to see it, kind of. This got the towed package, so you can offer it with it or without it. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate. Give us a call, shoot us emails, or stop by the shop. Thank you.